Before you begin, remove the service door, solid-state drive, and battery. Removal. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the smart card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the smart card reader board ribbon cable from the smart card reader board. Remove the speaker cable from the retention tape and routing channel that secure it to the top cover. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.